Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 22nd, 2023. This is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Dow 30 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Take a quick look and see what happened here on the Dow this past weekend and what I'm expecting here. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this quarterly chart. And on this quarterly chart, we have made those all-time highs that I've been talking about and been expecting. We actually at an R1 level here on, we actually got across that R1 level here on the yearly pivots. These are yearly pivots that I like showing here. And we are there. The thing is, I'm actually, we're there. Just leave that alone. We're there, and this thing is still looking fairly bullish. But again, you're at that point where you should be managing any long trades that you are in, if you got in at the right point and all. And that's about all I can say for that. Again, here, let's go down to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart here, on the monthly chart, as you can see, we had a strong month last month. We're having a pretty good strong month this month. But as you can see here on these quarterly pivots, we have reached an R3 level, and we have pulled back below that R3. But we still got one more week left of the quarter and of this month. So again, this thing can make higher highs, keep going higher, and we have to just kind of like see what actually going to happen here, because we have gotten above these tops and stuff. You might get a little pullback, to this level and go higher. It might pull back. It's already pulled back below an R3 level, and that might be our little pullback, and it's ready to go higher at this time. But let's go down to the weekly chart and see if we can see a little bit better picture of what's happening at these tops. Again, now here we go. At this top right now here on the weekly, on this weekly chart, we can see we have formed a doji. Like I said, we are at a top. So at a top, you're going to start seeing stuff like this, these dojis, maybe some red candles, and pull back to a level. But what level will it actually pull back to? We're looking at monthly pivots, and on these monthly pivots, since we was below pivot and we got an above pivot and we have one more week, but maybe it's already done what it's going to do. It came back, it went above an R1 level, came back and almost kissed this level and went back up. But it ended up forming a doji here for the week. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at but this is your warning sign. This is why your stops need to be in place, and you need to be managing your trade. Because now if we end up with a red candle, you can end up giving a little bit of money back, giving some of your profit back that you have on your trades at this time. But let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily chart, to some of its daily noise. As we said, this thing has been rallying, rallying. Got kind of noisy here once it started making those new highs. Had a pretty good pushback that was on Wednesday, just like we had on the Russell. It was a lot of profit taking. But as you can see, we didn't break this low that it made here on Wednesday. So this thing, although we haven't broken that high either the last 2 days, but we're in a good position to actually go higher. Because look like next week we might be opening above pivot and trying to go higher. We just got to see if we're going to actually break this previous high over here and keep making higher highs. But it's going to be the last week of the year. Just have to kind of like wait and see. And that's all I really want to share here on the Dow. Again, this is Solomon. Hope you guys have a happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. And I'll talk to you maybe one more week before the end of the year. We'll see how it goes. Because I'm going to be just taking it easy here for the next week or so. But have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.